Imagine a force powerful enough to unite over 800 languages, 1,000 tribes, and countless traditions. In Papua New Guinea, that force isn't politics, it's not policy, it's Rugby League. Now, with the birth of the PNG Chiefs, one question echoes across every village, every city, and every stadium. Could a national NRL team be the ultimate key to forging a single, unshakable national identity for Papua New Guinea? Prime Minister James Marape has announced the official name of Papua New Guinea's NRL team, the PNG Chiefs. The name was selected after more than 20,000 public submissions, and it carries deep cultural meaning, a reflection of PNG's patrilineal and matrilineal heritage. Chiefs represents leadership, unity, and respect, values deeply rooted in PNG society long before independence in 1975. The team is set to join the NRL in 2028, a milestone shared between Papua New Guinea and Australia, celebrating 50 years of PNG's nationhood. The Chiefs will represent not just a team, but a nation reborn through sport. This announcement is more than a sporting headline. It's a symbolic movement, a declaration that PNG's identity can rise beyond politics, beyond corruption, beyond division. For decades, Rugby League has been the one thing that truly brings Papua New Guineans together. From the highlands to the islands, the roar of the crowd unites hearts that speak hundreds of tongues. When Marape said, "Before there was a prime minister, there was a chief," he reminded the nation of something profound. Leadership in PNG began in the village, not in parliament. It began with chiefs, mostly men who led with courage, balance, and wisdom. By naming this team the Chiefs, PNG is reclaiming its authentic identity, one rooted in heritage, but forward-looking in purpose. The Chiefs' logo and colors aren't yet revealed, but the name alone already carries power. It signals to the world, we may be many tribes, but we are one people. Could the PNG Chiefs become more than a sports team? Could they become a national movement? Will this unifying force extend beyond the field, inspiring how we govern, lead, and live as one nation? And when those players step onto the field in 2028, wearing the red, black, and gold, will we see the rebirth of national pride that transcends politics? In a nation often divided by regionalism, inequality, and politics, this is a moment to breathe, to remember what truly unites us. The Chiefs are not just chasing trophies, they're chasing meaning, the kind of unity that builds nations. It's easy to see this as just a rugby story, but it's deeper. It's about identity, leadership, and hope. If we can rally behind a team, we can rally behind a vision, a stronger, prouder, more united Papua New Guinea. Every generation gets its moment, and this is ours. Our ancestors were chiefs in the bush. Our parents were chiefs in their homes. And now we must become chiefs in our mindset, leaders of our own actions, protectors of our unity. Because true leadership isn't about position, it's about purpose. When the PNG Chiefs run onto that field in 2028, they won't just represent players, they'll represent every Papua New Guinean who believes that unity is possible. So, rise with pride, stand as one nation, and remember, you're a chief. Go the Chiefs!